Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mademoiselle Pi. Today we will see together how to decompose a collection in Python. In the given example, I am using a collection that is a tuple and I am going to show you how we can decompose this collection. In the example, the tuple contains two elements. First is nebula and second is Groot. One way of decomposing this collection is to use the indexes and then assign the value of the index to the variable. For example, in line number 6, I am using the element stored at index 0 to assign it to x and the element that is stored at index 1 to assign it to y. When we print the values stored at a variable x and y, you can see in the output the elements have got printed. Now I'm going to tell you that Python is also a superhero. How? Is we will see that instead of writing the three lines of code to decompose this tuple, I can do it simply in one line of code is simply by writing the variable first variable comma second variable equals to the value of a tuple. Let's re-execute the program and you will see that the result of the last print statement is same as the first one. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.